What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I wanted to share the story with... Get off me. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I wanted to share this really cool story with you guys today. Man, you know, it's just so funny. It's... Oh, what the heck was that? I live in the middle of nowhere. Who could that be? Oh, what do we have here? What does that say? Oh, let's just take it inside. I have no idea who this could be from, guys. Well, let's open it up. What the heck? What the heck could this be? Jeez, what is this? Is this some kind of telescope? That doesn't work. Does it make any sound? No. Do you know what this is? It's definitely not something from inside. Let's check outside. I have no idea what this could be for. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Let's see, we're gonna need this, and we're gonna need this. Now we need just what we needed. That's what we need. What do you guys think? You think I should have it hanging that low? I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. There's the inside the wheel well shot. Damn. Let's tighten her up and start her up. Let's start her up. jet! What the hell did I do, guys? I turned my Prius into a damn plane. What do you guys think of that? That's an 8-inch rolled MBRP tip. Wow, that sounds amazing. And for those of you that don't know, that's called an axle dump. I just cut off the tip of my exhaust and put that downward angle. I think it looks super cool. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. I had a little bit of fun with it because it's a basic install, but if any of you do have any questions, then just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Hey, I'm getting better. And I'll help you out with that. We have tons of content coming up. Stay tuned.